22 veterans a day in this country take their own lives. Vets, we love you. You have a place here. We're back to blue over here. We support Leo. How do we do that, Megatron?
We don't break the damn law.
Finally, if you are an addict, never quit quitting. Well, today is a special day. It's a rousing rendition day, but we're waiting on a delivery, so bear with us. We got a couple knives coming from up north, special delivery. Anytime now. There they are. Yes.
I got a delivery here for Quiet Boy.
What's happening?
Outdoors.
How are you?
What's up, buddy? So you're actually real.
We're real.
You're real.
Right?
There's no screen in front of you.
Yep, we got to keep looking. We're not. There we go.
Hi, everybody.
Guys, hey, this whole weekend, my guy Joe's spending with Megatron and I. She's camera working. What do we got on tap?
Thanks behind the camera. That's nice. I like to see that.
That's not what we had on tap, Joe. Hey, we're going to do a lot of videos. We're going to put some here.
Absolutely. We're going to shoot some here. We're shooting some knives. We're doing the live. We're doing the Blade Talk Live coming up.
With Scab and Joe.
Fun stuff, yeah.
Listen, here's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to put a couple on your channel.
Absolutely.
Put a couple on my channel. Blade Talk with Scab and Joe. Go subscribe. We're doing a live, and we're going to put some bonus footage on. My brother, glad you're here.
I'm glad to be here.
Get the damn knives.
I'll get you the damn
There we
knives.
go.
There we go.
Now, seriously, and who do we have to thank for this?
This is coming straight to you from Gruggs from Legion Tactical Cutlery.
Very cool. And I believe this is KHHI.
Yes, it is.
The overbuilt power hammer.
Definitely overbuilt.
That's wicked, man. Gruggs. Hey, shout out, seriously, from both of us to Legion Tactical.
Absolutely.
Man, that's wicked. Now, you do know I'm shopping with this, right?
Gruggs, you gave me the okay, Gruggs. So you told me he can cut. He can cut with it. He can have a good time with it. So.
And if I can't, well, we just won't put you in the comments. Now,
I can't tell you exactly where this came from. He told me, but I forgot.
I'm cutting trees now with this. Gruggs, in the comments, my guy, tell me what, where, put the details. If you've got a review to it, Gruggs, put the link in the description.
Absolutely.
Well, boys and girls,
Nice.
I'm Scab.
I'm Joe.
You're not.
Absolutely.
And we're gone, son.
Later.